During yesterday's PNM Special Convention, the political leader of the PNM and Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago, Dr. Keith Rowley, announced that the country's coat of arms would be changed.
You see them 3 Columbus boats in the emblem? They will go.
Prime Minister Dr. Keith Rowley stated that there are enough votes in Parliament to make this change, announcing that a legislative change would be made before the 24th of September 2024.
Then over a 6-month period, we'll replace Columbus 3 ships, the Santa Maria, the Pinta and the Nina, with the Steelpan.
The Prime Minister noted that for logistical reasons, it will be done over 6 months, giving citizens time to consume the stationery that is in place before it is replaced.
And that should signal that we are on our way to removing the colonial vestiges that we have in our Constitution. And I hope that we start with that and we end up getting up and no longer being squatters on the steps of the Privy Council.
The Prime Minister said that all those who believe that the Privy Council must be the country's Supreme Court would regret it one day if England changes its government, which expels Trinidad and Tobago.